Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. And today's topic is how to understand the concept of near field and far field antennas. So, first of all, we have to start in the beginning. The radiation intensity when measured near to the antenna differs from what is away from the antenna. Though the area is away from the antenna, it is considered effective as radiation intensity is still high there. Now we see about the near field region. The definition of near field region: the field which is near to the antenna is called near field. It has inductive effect and hence it is known as inductive field, though it has some radiation concepts. Next, we have to see what is far field region. The field which is far from the antenna is called far field. It is also called as radiation field, as the radiation affects high in this area. Many of antenna parameters along with the antenna directivity and radiation pattern of the antenna are considered in this region. Next, we have to see what is field pattern. The field distribution can be quantifying in terms of field intensity is referred to as field pattern. That means the radiated power from the antenna when plotted is expressed in terms of electric field, which is E in terms of electric field, and hence it is known as field pattern. If it is quantified in terms of power in watts, then it is known as power pattern. The distribution of near and far field region can be well understood with the help of a diagram. Here, the field pattern can be classified as reactive near field region, radiative near field region, and radiating far field region. Here, we can easily understood from this diagram. The field which is very near to the antenna is reactive near field or non-radiating field, where the radiation is not predominant here, and the region next to it can be termed as radiating near field region. It is radiating near field. The red marking shows radiating near field region. Here, in this region, the radiation predominates and the angular field distribution depends on physical distance from the antenna. The region next to it is radiating far field region. In this region, this is radiating far field region. In this region, the field distribution is independent of distance from the antenna. The effective radiation pattern is observed in this region. This is radiating far field. Now, to understand the concept clearly, we have to see an example for that. So, for example, consider a dipole antenna in the center with the length L. The blue circle represents the reactive near field and the red circle represents the radiating near field and the green circle represents the far field region. First, we are seeing reactive near field. What is reactive near field? For the most of antenna, the outer boundary of this region is from the center. We have to calculate it from the center 0.62 into square root of L cube by lambda. But for the short dipole antenna, the outer boundary is given as lambda by 2 pi. Now I will draw the radiation from the center. So the radiation like this, there is no form of radiation. So in reactive near field region, the radiation will be like this. Now next we move on to radiating near field region. So this one is the radiating near field region. For this region, the distance from the antenna R is given as 0.62 square root of L cube by lambda is lesser than or lesser than 2L square divided by lambda is the radiating near field's R value. R value for radiating near field is this. And this region is also called as transition region. Now we see about some properties of this region, radiating near field region. The electric and magnetic field vectors are not orthogonal here. Now I will draw the radiation of radiating near field region. So the orange line represents the radiating near field antenna's radiation pattern. For example, it is like this. The next property, radiation field predominates the reactive field. And next point, the antenna pattern is taking shape but is not truly. And the radiating wavefront is still starting the curve. These are the properties of radiating near field antenna. Now we see about the radiation pattern of far field, radiating far field antenna. Now I will draw the radiation pattern. This is an example. For this region, the distance from the antenna from the center, the R is given as R, which is equal to R is radius. R is given as R is greater than 2 L square divided by lambda. Now we see about some properties of this radiating far field region. The wavefront becomes approximately planar. Next point, the radiation pattern is completely formed and thus vary with the distance. And E field and H field vectors are orthogonal to each other. These are some important properties of far field region. Hope it is clear now what is far field and near field regions of antenna. It is a most important topic in antenna and wave propagation. Hope this lecture is very clear and very useful to you to understand the concepts of far field and near field antennas. Thank you.